everybody, here it's Lacey Buddha Max, Oceanside Lawn Care and Landscape Repair. Today we're going to do the dune restoration again, and I've got my experts out here. I got my foreman and I've got my expert laborer here, and today we're going to install some sea oats. It's not really that hard. The trick is you got to make sure that you get that secret gel in there that will give it moisture, because it's hard to get water down on the dunes. Also, what we're doing today is we're timing it at around 2 o'clock today. A storm's supposed to be coming in. So you can see we got a really nice dune here. It's already been developed, but what we're doing is we're filling in the gaps. And you do this a couple of years in a row, and eventually your dune will really look good. I've got one at my house that we've been doing, and it really turned out well. All right, thanks a lot. Lacey Buddha Max here, Oceanside Lawn Care and Landscape Repair on Dune Restoration.
Get out of here! Up here, mate!
Where you going?
North Shore!
I think you're lucky day.